Hey guys, welcome to my channel Shan with Shanu. So today's video is all about my Bali haul. So last month I got back from Bali and I bought few of the items from there, and so I wanted to do this haul so that you guys can also know what all the items you can get there. And also in between the haul I'm going to tell you guys all the tips and tricks to shop there, and also the places where you can find amazing stuff, because I know a lot of people are nowadays traveling to Bali, especially from India. We can find a lot of tourists there. So yeah, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So before starting off with the haul, I wanted you guys to know few of the things. So the first thing is the currency. So 1 Indian rupees is equals to 210 Indonesian rupiah. So basically Indian rupees has got much higher value, and all the things that you find there is mostly, priced in lakhs and crores. You can find cheaper things there, but if you think that everything is going to be cheap and you can buy a lot of items there, it's nothing like that. And the second thing that I wanted you guys to know are the markets. There are a lot of markets there, from street markets, beach market, night market, but among all of it I really love 3 markets, and these 3 are the popular ones. So number 1 is the Ubud Market, the second is the Legion Street, and the third is the Seminyak Market. So now that you know the basic details, let's get started with the haul. So the first product from the haul are these very beautiful Fipper slippers. So these are platform heeled, and also it's very beautiful sea green in color. Fipper is a Malaysian brand, and I would say it's a must visit if you're traveling to Bali. So basically these slippers are biodegradable, environmental friendly, made from natural rubber. It is antibacterial, has got superb absorbent properties, and also is slip resistant. Like Havaianas, they are really popular, but they are really highly priced. Like some are around rupees 2000 to 2500, but if you want a cheaper alternative, then you should go for Fipper. So with the sea green platforms, I also got this very cute pink and black slippers. It has got really cool pink straps, so basically it's like a slip-on. So along with other slippers, I also got these basic ones. These are really beautiful orangish kind of color with blue straps and are super comfortable. So this Fipper store is in Ubud, and along with all the slippers, I also got this very cute zipper. I wanted a steel zipper for a really long time. I only have zippers that are either plastic, that is BPA free plastic, or glass material, so I had to get this. It is really trendy, golden color, looks super adorable, and the best thing is it is made of steel. So talking about Ubud Market, I really fell in love. So let me tell you guys where you can shop there. So basically there is a huge stretch which is named as Jalan Raya Ubud. That is a 2-kilometer stretch where you can find a lot of boutiques, art and crafts, lot of handicrafts, and a lot more. And the thing is why I really love Ubud Market more than any other market, it is because you can really find traditional stuff there, because everywhere around the market you can find normal things that you can easily find in any beach destination, but Ubud Market is really different. You can find the local things, the local handicraft items, and if you're somebody who is going to move to Bali, and if you're looking to set up your house with really trendy and Pinterest friendly, really beautiful furnitures and wall hangings and stuff, then you should probably first visit Ubud and then visit any other local market. The first thing that I really loved was a shop there called Pina Colada, and I got this really adorable pink pineapple. It's a showpiece, so basically I wanted to keep this on my desk. This store Pina Colada in Ubud Market, it's very cute. Like you can find a lot of dresses, beach dresses, in a very beautiful color. Like they have got only sea green and pink colors, and a lot of accessories, a lot of showpieces there. So if you are visiting Ubud Market, make sure to buy few things from Pina Colada. So the next item that I got from Ubud Market is this very cute fridge magnet. It is red in color. It has got the map of Bali. If you guys are looking for a proper souvenir to gift your friends and family, so I would suggest you guys to visit Ole Ole Market. Compared to the stuff that you can find in the other markets, you can find the same thing in Ole Ole Market at a very reasonable rate. So now that we are done with the Ubud market, let me tell you guys about the Legion street market. So this street market is highly popular because it has got a lot of pubs, eateries and a good nightlife. So there are a lot of shops that are open till midnight. So some of the Australian and American brands you can find there. And it's more about, you know, imported stuff, and although it has got handicrafts too, but you know, it's nothing like Ubud market. Ubud market is different and Legion street market is different, though both are really good markets. So the first item from the Legion street market is this very beautiful pineapple ring holder. So I wanted a ring holder for a really long time, and this has got very beautiful diamonds on it, and it is really cute. Second thing that I got from the same shop is this very beautiful bracelet. So this bracelet was really expensive. It was around 1400 rupees, but it is of a very good quality, and also I really love the fact that it can be worn as both black and white, and it looks super trendy and really adorable. So another tip that I would like to give you guys is bargain, because whenever they see the tourists, they always increase the price at least 2 or 3 times. So it's really important that you either pay half of the amount or sometimes even half of half. So start with that and then move on to, you know, whatever you find reasonable. So the next is this very cute Ganesha. It's in pink in color and it has got really beautiful neon colors on it. It is handcrafted and it is hand painted. It is very beautiful. I wanted it for my desk because I am a very spiritual person, and before starting any, you know, if I'm going to film a video or if I'm going to work or if I'm going to study, I always pray. So I really loved it and I was looking for a pink Ganesha for a really long time. So Bali is all about coffee. They have got this famous luwak coffee and also all the other varieties in coffee, and the coffee that I got is from the place named Kantik. So this is a very good location where you can see a lot of, you know, coffee plantations and you can learn a lot about it. So I bought home few packets of coffee and cocoa. I got ginseng coffee. I really loved it, and this is just normal coffee mixed with ginseng. So in Bali you can find a lot of beautiful cover-ups and trendy sarongs, and mostly batik prints is really famous there. So I got this really beautiful cover-up. So you guys must have already seen me wearing in my travel diary, which I'm going to link it right here. This is how it actually looks like. This is of a very good material and I've already washed it and it did not bleed at all, and I just paid rupees 500 for this, which was not really expensive for a cover-up. So the last and the most expensive item from the haul is this really cool carry-on luggage. It has got a lot of compartments, like a laptop compartment, and it has got a camera compartment. So I wanted this bag for a really long time because whenever I travel, I always end up, you know, carrying a huge luggage as a cabin baggage, because I have got cameras, I've got chargers, I've got laptop and so much more, and that's the reason I needed a proper carry-on luggage. And this one is from the brand Roxy. This is an Australian brand and I found this in Kolkata in the Quest Mall, and it was priced for rupees 10,000. Like, can you imagine? And at that time I didn't really buy it, but the same thing I got in Bali for just rupees 3,500, so I had to buy it. And since this is a very good brand, I know this is going to last for a really long time. So yeah, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this video was more of a talkative kind of video. I have not really talked this much in front of camera, but since this was going to be informational and I wanted to help you guys out there, this is mainly for the people who are going to travel to Bali soon. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it and found it helpful, and also comment down below and let me know which item was your favorite. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Bye for now.